Welcome back to another video today. We're doing the, what's it called, Lego Shuttle playoffs. I don't know if it's upside down or not, or if I am upside down, but, what's it called, we're going to the Quadrant II now, on first round. So this is what it looks like. And this is the first quadrant. This is who gets eliminated. All favorites win this one, couple seeds, no upsets. There's a 14 seed, 11 seed, bad defense, 10 seed, 15 seed of hope defense. And this is what the matchups look like. That's gonna be very exciting. And this is the one we're gonna do now. In 2 parts at least. In 8 different videos. We're gonna do that first high voltage one first. Got the fight started. Let's get started. 4 seconds for the what's called way more than 10 seconds for the what's called editing. You know, for the statistics, this is gonna be a blowout at its finest. Let's get started. This is by far High Voltage's best season ever. South Korea. I don't even know what that was from Avalanche. I was trying to escape because the lights were on. I can see why. If I was just a man, and then he's destroyed. That's why he gets for being a 60 and 39. And that's it. I don't even have to change angles. Notebook section. I do like how I did this now. I bolded everything. Especially the seeds and the numbers. I did that last season. I didn't know why I did this. Did that and didn't do that at first. There we go. Big number 1 seed. Make sure it leads number 1. Avalanche 3 and 10. And High Voltage 13 and Skittles. Don't ask. 13 and 0. 13 and a goose egg. And